Hello world, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to build websites in Webflow, but you just feel overwhelmed? There are so many features, so many terms, where do you even start? Well, that's where this course comes in. Welcome to Introduction to Webflow. We'll kick things off by covering the essentials, HTML and CSS. Now, you might be thinking, do I really need to know this? Yes, but don't worry, no coding is required. I'll show you how understanding these basics will make everything in Webflow click. Next, we'll dive into Webflow itself. You'll learn how to navigate the interface, and I'll guide you through adding and styling elements like text, images, and div blocks. By the end of this section, you'll have your first web page up and running. Once you're comfortable with the basics, we'll explore how to structure your site using Flexbox and Grid. These are powerful tools that allow you to organize your content exactly how you want. Whether you're creating a simple blog layout or a complex portfolio, you'll see how these layouts give you total control. And of course, we'll add some flair with interactions. These are the animations that make your site more engaging. Think buttons that animate on hover or content that appears as you scroll. I'll show you how to create these effects with just a few clicks. By the end of this course, you'll have built a fully functional, professional-looking portfolio site, ready to showcase your skills and projects. But more than that, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to keep exploring and building on your own. Now, if you prefer live, more interactive learning, you can join workshops at NoCodeHer.org. NoCodeHer is a nonprofit I co-founded to empower young girls to explore tech using no-code tools like Webflow. It's all about making tech accessible and fun, and we'd love to have you join our community. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for weekly updates. Let's take the fear out of Webflow and start building something amazing together. I can't wait to see you in the first lesson.